You can reel it on your left side, right side, top side, bottom side, every angle you want is still visible. Press start. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Junchin here. Today we'll be reviewing a very special product for those who are looking for big curves, quick response time, and high refresh rate. Okay, don't ask me why my eyes really small because I just woke up. Apparently there's an Asian eyes right now. So what are the features of the Armaggeddon Pixxel Plus Xtreme Curves 27-inch monitor? It has a R1800 curve. Well, it gives you a 178 degree of viewing angle. You can adjust the tiltable monitor accordingly to your eye levels. It has a built-in stereo speaker and squeeze it until this kind of size. Here's on how to install the monitor base plate and also the monitor holder. When you open the monitor packaging, you will see a metal holder. You place it here, then you will see inside the packaging there also contains few screws. Then you take out 4 screws, screws it properly, then you see a V-shaped base plate, and then you use the remaining screw to screw up. Alright, so that's it, you're good to go. The transparent button is the on and off button. Beside the on and off button is the control center where you can control the brightness, contrast in your monitor. As you can see from here, there's a power port, display port, DVI port, HDMI port, and also the audio output port. Well, it says that it's infinity frame, which means that it's zero bezel on every angle. It has a 165Hz refresh rate, and of course it's very suitable for those who play a lot of FPS games. So as we all know, all the gaming monitors outside provide a sync with your graphic cards. So of course the Armaggeddon Pixxel Plus can be syncable as well. It can be synced with your AMD and Nvidia graphic cards with the AMD FreeSync and also the Nvidia G-Sync. In terms of monitor color accuracy, the monitor has a 16.7 million colors, which is suitable for those who are doing color correction or doing poster design. The response time for the monitor is 2 milliseconds, which is pretty quick compared to other general monitor in the market right now. That's a review for Armaggeddon Pixxel 27-inch curves monitor. Special thanks to Armaggeddon Malaysia and also Armaggeddon, to have a chance to first hand and also to first look on the monitor and also to review for you guys. It's a really stunning monitor, what I can say right now. And also it's on sale now. You can find it on the link below if you are interested. I hope to see you guys in the next video. It's Urgent Check, LXQ here. Peace out.